be an earwig trap. Okay, so last year all of my sunflowers got eaten by earwigs, and I think earwigs really love this fresh baby little plants. These are pumpkin plants, and already something has nibbled off that leaf. Could have been anything, but last year's earwigs in the area were really bad, and they didn't even let my sunflowers get this big, so I'm gonna be preemptive about it. And I mixed up oil and soy sauce is what they say. I didn't have any plastic containers. Jake and I buy a lot of glass, so we'll see if this works. Gonna plant this in the corn and pumpkin bed, and I've got another one mixed up here that I'm going to plant in this bed. I've got sunflowers coming up in between the peas, and these are cantaloupe plants. So I think they're susceptible to being nibbled on. There that is. Hopefully it should keep it away from my little starts. If I find a lot of earwigs in this after a couple nights, I'll do more of these in the other beds. Alright, good luck. I don't really like trapping and killing bugs, but they really will demolish these plants. I've come out in the middle of the night and they're swamped with earwigs. So, I mean, if they take a nibble, it's okay, but taking the whole plant, I can't have it. Little baby apples. Today is May 25th. I think this is the last big thing that we'll plant in the garden. The last bed, it's going to be the cucumber and zucchini bed.
So at the last minute, I decided to use this scrap piece of lattice that we have lying around to make a little trellis for the cucumbers. I think it'll work out. Yeah, that'll work. You're gonna see in some later videos, I have some serious problem with cucumbers. Maybe it's the earwigs, maybe it's grasshoppers, maybe it's something else. I know I've heard of another bug that attacks cucumbers, I can't remember the name. But something comes crawling out from nowhere and my cucumbers start getting destroyed. So yeah, there's that little arch. I think that'll work out all right. It adds some height to the garden, so that's pretty cute. Remember, cuteness is the most important thing in the garden. This is going to be the zucchini plants on the other side of the cucumbers. These zucchinis are also grown from a local guy who produces seeds, so that's pretty cool. Just a town or two away. So, speaking of water, Jake is in the front yard digging up the water main because we have galvanized pipes in our 50-year-old house and they're full of crud. So here is Jake starting his trench, and it's going to be quite the trench. Oh, look at these guys. More quail. I love quail. I don't know if you've picked up on that, but they're the best. So cute. I can't get over how cute they are. Malcolm thinks they're pretty cute too, but I'm a supporter of kitties not eating all the local wildlife, so he is going to respect his manners on his leash. Thanks for watching.